I was sent this little portable air pump. It's a little more than just an air pump to do a review on. Let's get this thing unboxed and let me show you what it's all about. We'll see you here in a second. We got a nice carrying bag, a USB to C, some parts and pieces for blowing up different things, the air hose, and then of course the little mini pump right here, which I said it's more than just a little mini pump. We'll go over that in detail here in a second. Of course, the instruction manual. Now on the very top here, we've got your C charge and your USB charge, and then a DC charge if you wanted to use a cigarette lighter charger or something like that. Very, very nice. Right here is where you screw in this piece right here. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. This little rubber piece allows you to make it finger tight. You can use it and then later on be able to put it away. To turn the pump on, there's a power button in the center, plus and minus for going up in PSI or whatever unit you decide to set it at. This right here is for units. We're going to keep it at PSI, and then modes. Let's go ahead and turn this on and see what it does. Long press the power button. So right now we're in PSI, but if you wanted to change the units, you can change it to bar, kPa, kilograms, but we're going to stick with PSI because that's the only thing I understand. Different modes. You got bicycle mode, which you can preset the PSI on that. A ball, same thing. You can go up and down and change that. A car, and then motorcycle. We're going to stick with a car tire because this is what we're going to be pumping up here in a second. So if you wanted to change that PSI, you use your up and down arrow key. But what's really cool about this, once you get it fully charged up, not only will it pump up your tire, but if you needed to charge a device, you can plug it into the top part of this right here. Very, very cool. You can charge a phone, a small tablet. As long as you have energy, you have power in this battery, you're able to charge it. Has a metal cylinder, copper motor, LED, quick inflate. Input voltage, 5 volt, 2 amp. Charging method, type C. Weight, 640 grams. Max pressure, 180 PSI. All right, so I've got my UTV here. The tire's flat. It's got a slow leak in it. So we're going to use this little device on it. We'll power it up. Now this UTV takes anywhere from like 15 to 25 pounds or PSI. So I'm going to bring that down quite a bit. We're going to keep it at, I don't know, 24. It's set. We're going to put it on there. And here we go. Woo! There it went. 24 PSI, and the tire is pumped up. Very, very nice. Overall, this is definitely a good thing to have around. I mean, once you're done with it, you just put it back in this little bag, and just keep it in your trunk, in the glove box, something like that. And then if you need it, if you need to charge something up, you need to pump up a tire or whatever the situation may be, a bicycle, whatever, keep it in this little bag, keep it in your vehicle. It's a really, really good device to have.